Okay, next one up, Triumph Custom Bonneville Scrambler T100. This is in for one of our full Monty valets. Not done this one before. I don't think it's ever been professionally cleaned. It's looking a little sad for itself. Got a load of rusty spokes, grime, dirt. It's, like I said, not been cleaned if ever. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets, get a little bit of XCP corrosion protection on it. Probably paint a few bits and pieces, just tart it up a little bit. Get all these chrome cases polished up, see if we can get all that old crap degreased off the back of there. Get it looking a bit better. Just having a look at this tank, it's got some heavy marks on it, but we're going to do a little two-stage machine polish on that as well, see if we can get any of those marks out. Get a bit of gloss, get a bit of depth back into that paintwork. Get it looking like it should. Give me a few hours. Okay, that was quite a feat. This Triumph is now thoroughly washed, decontaminated, degreased. That rear wheel and the hub was absolutely minging. So now we've got it into the studio. Time to do some detailing. We've got loads of bits to polish. We're going to put some XCP corrosion protection on it. I'm going to paint a few bits first. I might lightly sand that down, get some satin black on there. Like I said, we're going to get some XCP corrosion protection. Now we got all these spokes all cleaned up. They need to be properly protected. Polish up that mud guard, and then I'm going to crack on with a bit of paint correcting, see if I can get some of these marks out, get a bit of depth back into that black, get it nice and shiny. We'll get that new chain all lubed back up, and she is done. Okay, this Triumph is coming along nicely. I'm just about to mist it with the XCP. We've painted a few bits of the frame that was looking a little sad. Painted the lower fork legs. Just doing a bit of a paint inspection. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She is looking terrible. Let's do a quick run, see if we can improve that at all. Oh, just had a quick run on this side cover, see if we can improve it. How's that for a 50-50? Good old Cartech. Diamond Cut 3000, can't beat it. Now to get this covered in XCP, and then we'll get it down and we will do the rest of the paint work. We'll polish up this emblem. This is going to look sweet when we finish with it. Okay, she's been thoroughly XCP'd. We've misted it all over the frame, the motor, all your switch gear, anything that I think might corrode has had a nice little misting of XCP. We wiped all the excess off. Now time to crack on with a bit of detailing. Gosh, this tank is looking terrible. The hell is that all about? Anyway, let's see if we can improve it. I'm going to do some detailing on these badges, and we'll do a couple of runs, see if we can get rid of a few of those scratches. There you go, just under 4 hours. We have done what we can with this old Triumph. Oh, what a transformation. Every single spoke has been thoroughly scrubbed, cleaned. All the exhaust has been polished. Put a load of frame paint on the frame that was all scratched up and rusty. We put a bit of paint on that fork leg there. I've done a 2, 3, 4 stage polish on this tank. Got it up the best I can. It's got some seriously ingrained scratches on it, but looking loads better. All the brake lever's been mirror polished. All the engine cases have all been polished up. Everything's had a nice coating of XCP on it. All these discs have all been thoroughly cleaned. Yes, what a transformation. Just under 4 hours. Ah, fingers are killing me. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.